I am so happy. This song is so boring. What it is? It's boring. Ow. Vampire down. Vampire down. Ow. This happens to be on the vampire. There's a vampire. You're playing Jesse. I think you should know that. Oh, sorry. I'm kind of tired. Sorry. Yeah, we had the cast of My Beast Vampire. Well, LPS version, of course. My version. I can't even sing it. No. Ow. The vampire's in the front. Vampire's in the friggin' front. Okay, I think we're good. We good? Yep. Alright. Okay. Now, let's get on with the crap here. Guess what I just found? Guess what I just found? Something very interesting. Very, very interesting that makes us all very happy. Shh, don't give it away. I'm not. Don't worry, these are big things. Shit, I'm so... Ow. I think you know that. Ow. It's too bad they had to cancel My Beast Vampire. Be strong. Be strong, Carly. Be strong. Okay, I'm over it. I had to cancel it because some stupid kid wrote a letter saying he was scared of it, and I had to cancel it. That you over it. Not over it. Okay, I'm just gonna move on with my life. Look at this fat baby. Look at this freaking fat baby. Look at this fat baby. Look at that. Look at that. Permission to scream? Permission? Okay, let's keep silence. Turn up some good music so we can start screaming. Okay, you got it almost. Oh, stupid freaking advertisements. Oh, I hate these. Now let's start screaming. Oh! Vampires rule! My fangs are terrible. I don't want to give a crap. Yeah, I'm gonna keep these fangs for a while, so I'll get used to seeing right now with fangs, so I'm sexy like this. He's having a seizure. No, he's not. I'm not. We have 70 subscribers. Yeah. This looks so wrong. We are totally gonna make 100 videos for this. No joke here. Bye-bye. I'm so happy. Please watch my update video. Bye.